Hello everyone, this is me Khyati Maheshwari and you're watching my channel Charted Logics by Khyati Maheshwari, and today I'm going to tell something about the Raksha Bandhan special that we launched, me and with Goodwill Test, that is only mine. www.goodwilltest.com is my website, and I'm going to tell you everything about the policies etc. and what will you get. Something I want to tell you that you can access it anytime, anywhere, whether you have a laptop, mobile phone, tablet or a PC. So you don't have to worry about it, okay? So I have launched a Olympiad Level Up Olympiad by me Khyati Maheshwari, and it is for all the professional exam like CA, CS, CMA students. Okay, it is not for foundation level of examination or the first level of examination. It is for inter and the final level examination. Okay, of all the things, either it can be the CA or you can be in CS or you can be in CMA students. Okay, so what are its features? It features, and also I want that you watch this video to the full so that you can understand the thing in better way. Okay, I'm damn sure that no one has launched it in such a low price, and I want you to try our features and everything up so that you can understand the way we work and it is actually benefiting the students. Okay, so what are its features? You will get proper evaluation of your answer sheet. Okay, you can have a personal chat about your examination, about the checking etc. or the points. If you have any queries, you can always chat with a professional who has checked your examination. Everything which will be systematically arranged, the quality will no have anything, and then the suggested answers is also be provided, and the suggestions based on your answer sheet by the experts. The registration fees for it will be only rupees 10, which is its exclusive feature, that you get the paper plus it got checked plus you get the comments, you get everything in just rupees 10. Okay, now what will be the return? The return of it will be, you can prepare yourself, you can prepare for the examination, your test will be evaluated, and plus you will get the comments. Okay, even if you do not win anything, okay, if you get a rank, you can get your rank on basis जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ में रजिस्टर्ड होंगे उनके हिसाब से आपकी जो रैंक होगी उनके बीच आप लोग उनका रैंक देख सकते हैं, अपना रैंक देख सकते हैं, सबका स्कोर वहाँ पे विजिबल होगा. ओके, if you get rank 1, then what you get? You will get from goodwilltest.com a certificate of best performance. ये होगा अलग अलग, इंटर लेवल को एक मिलेगा एंड फाइनल लेवल को एक मिलेगा, प्लस आपको हमारी 5+1 टेस्ट सीरीज़ जो चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट सीरीज़ है दैट यू गेट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एट zero cost. And if you are previously enrolled student and you want to attend and you have paid any fees, or you are not enrolled in 5+1 test, you will get enrolled into it with free of cost and you will get a refund of your fees. Okay, if you get a rank between 2 to 10, then you will get a rank certificate from goodwilltest.com, and for it is also one inter level and then a final level. Okay, and also 50% discount. Okay, it didn't mention here, but rank 2 to 10 get 50% discount, and rank 11 to 20 get 25% discount in 5+1 test series. Okay, so it will be the great package. So why you are waiting? I will link it down in the below, in the comment box, and also in the description box, the link where you can connect with me and purchase directly and register yourself in this Olympiad. It is always for CA, CS, CMA students. Okay, in rupees 10 you will get test, rank, evaluation plus comments. If you are not willing to attend this, I would like that you can share this video so much that everyone should know about it. Everyone should attend this and at least get their rank, get something benefit from it. The whole purpose of this examination, it's benefit. Okay, I want you to try this. Okay, I want that you get your rank, you get the competition, you get that how others are preparing, you get the comments on your examination sheet about the papers you are doing. Okay, now there will be two tests. Okay, first it will be law and then second it will be text. Okay, we will mail you all the information. यूट्यूब में आपको हम इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते रहेंगे, प्लस जो भी लॉ टेक्स्ट का आपका सॉल्यूशन होगा वो भी हम यूट्यूब पे डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड यू मस्ट रजिस्टर विद अस. ओके, the syllabus. So the final law and text syllabus. What is the syllabus of the test? Okay, so we have compiled some very comprehensive topics that are both in the syllabus of CA, CS and CMA and are important ones. So they are chapter number 11. सबसे पहले अपन लॉ का सिलेबस देखते हैं. सो दिस साइड इज ऑफ लॉ का सिलेबस एंड द अदर साइड इज ऑफ टेक्स्ट का सिलेबस. ओके, सो द लॉ सिलेबस इज चैप्टर नंबर 11 of the Companies Act 2013, that is the appointment and qualification of director. Then chapter number 12 of the Companies Act, that is the meeting and boards and its powers. Chapter number 13, the managerial portion, and it is the most important syllabus of law. Either it can be CA, CS or CMA. Okay, and the other side taxation syllabus is total income, heads of income and deduction. Okay, so you will get paper in this is the syllabus of your paper. Okay, the paper will held on 15th of August and the registration close till 13th August. Okay, and the syllabus for inter law and taxation is, suppose you have group 1, so you will attend law ka part. Okay, if you have group 2, you will attend text ka part. Okay, if you are in both the groups, then you have the choice to attend either law part or the text part. You have to attend any one question. Okay, but however you get the solution of both the questions, but for evaluation you have to send any one. I will show you all the procedure etc in this video only, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so law ka part, law ka syllabus is basics of company law, prospectus and allotment of securities, share capital and debenture. And in taxation we have total income, heads of income and deduction. So contact us, the link is in the description below. Level up examination, same. The registration will be paper will held on 15th on August. There will be 2 set, you have to attend any one. Law and taxation, and the registration fees is only ₹10. You will get this all I have discussed with you. And why goodwilltest.com, why you should prefer us. So we will take initiatives at low cost possible, so you must join us. You must subscribe to our channel and connect with us on Instagram, WhatsApp group or Telegram group if you are interested. So always stay connected with us and you will definitely get some of the benefit of it. I'm damn sure I'm working on it so hard so that you can get any kind of benefit for it. Okay, so there will be the proper evaluation, proper chats, improvements, everything arranged manner में provide होगा, quality and the suggestions by the experts. So yes, in this way you can see that what are the grades given to your other members. Like there are 2 members, Ajit Kumar and the Shruta Verma, and what the grades they have. Okay, in this way you will provide first of all your answer sheet, and then we will evaluate and then provide you your answer sheet along with the comments on it. Okay, along with the comments on it, and you can always discuss it with us. This all happens in privately. Add a private comment. Okay, this all happens privately. Okay, and these are some of the reviews, and this is how we check your examination papers, and these are also some of the reviews from our channel and the persons who are get connected with us. so that you can know how we work and etc. You can always pause the video and see to it if you are interested to know what other things etc. Okay, so if you like the video, please do, or you like the initiative, okay, you are not connected with us, even if you like the initiative, please do comment down below, like this video or dislike this video, and let me know what you think about it. Follow us, it is most important, because I know I'm going to do so much on this channel. I have all the things in my mind, so just try and share this channel with your friends so that everyone get benefits, okay, not you, everyone get benefits. So thank you. But before this, if someone want to buy our full-fledged test series, not only this olympiad is a competition in which you that compete with other people and get benefit, get the rank and get the benefits, okay. However, this is also useful for you. In only rupees 10 you get the answer sheet of answers and questions of test of law and text, that particular syllabus I'm going to share in the next video, or you can always connect with me in the link description below and get the schedules etc and all the details you want, okay. But if someone wants to know more about the test series, that also I'm going to cover in this video only, okay. So let us start by the goodwill test, okay, the main test that you are getting if you got the rank etc, okay. So currently we have two tests, but we are also thinking about these two, the full test and 5+1, okay. The mock test and the one question series will come soon. So in 5+1 test series, what you get is 5 chapter wise test, okay. You will get 5 chapter wise test series. They are comprised of 25 marks and 1 hour allocation, and one full test series that is of 100 marks of 3 hour schedule, just like ICI, okay. And it will be with evaluation, okay. You can save your study time. Why? Because we have comprehensive schedule for it. If you have schedule that you have to prepare this chapter up to this time, then what you will do, you will do work harder on it, okay. And we will also share with you your progress report, okay. Now full test series, in full test series you can either go for two full test series, that means two full test papers, and you can either go with one full test series, okay. It will be with evaluation. You can always save your time to study and the progress report. These are the fees of it, very competitive, very low and very nominal, okay. Full test series, if you do your self evaluation, then it will be rupees 20, but I will not recommend it. If you want to really try it and work it hard, I will recommend you to go with expert evaluation, that is of 50 rupees per subject, okay. And 5+1, that is the 5 chapter wise series, and one full test series, it will be 100 per subject for self evaluation and 200 per subject for expert evaluation, in which you are also getting your progress report, and you can always talk with your mentor or who's checking the paper. We are here always to help you out in every situation. This is how your progress report will look like, okay. So you will get your code, grade code, that whether your examination is satisfactory or you need improvement. You needs improvement, it is improving, and either it can be unsatisfied, okay. Skill development, now where you have to develop your skills on your presentation level, on your theoretical level, on your practical aspects, on the ICI language. Sometimes what happen is we take a good paper, but we are not getting the the marks that we deserve. Why? It is so that we can't express ourselves in ICI language and the comments by the examiner. Access it anytime that I have told you, and you can always come and chat with us, okay. Thank you very much. I hope you got all the information out of it, and stay connected and must contact me on the link given below. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to tell you the procedure of the paper, okay. So you will get two papers. One is of law paper and the other one is of text paper. Okay, you have to attend either of the two. Either you can attend the law paper or you can attend the text paper. Okay, the idea behind is that group 1 people can also take the Olympiad and the group 2 people can also attend the Olympiad. Okay, and if you belong to both of the group, then you have a choice that either you can attend the law part or the text part, which is strong on you, but you will receive the question paper of both the subject and the suggested answers of both the subject. Whoever is the ranker, his mark sheet, his all reports and his copy will be available to all of you. Okay, so what you have to do, we will give you mail, and all things we will mail you, all information we will mail you. Our portal will be sent by mail, and what you can do, you will receive the paper, you will solve that paper. This paper will consist of both MCQ plus descriptive question as per ICAI. Okay, and we will see to it that it is up to the mark. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to attend the paper. You have to attend the paper. It is in 1 hour. Okay, the paper is of 1 hour and 25 marks. आई हैव ट्राइड दैट मैं सारे जितने भी क्वेरीज मेरे पास में हुई है इस चीज़ से रिलेटेड, वो सब मैं इसके अंदर सॉल्व कर पाऊँ. ओके, सो 1 hour 25 मार्क्स का पेपर होगा. बोथ ऑफ द पेपर्स, आइदर यू कैन अटेंड द टेक्स्ट पेपर और यू कैन अटेंड द law paper, and the questions, suggested answers and the topper's mark sheet will be available to you in just ₹10. Okay, and we will also evaluate your paper. Yes, we will also evaluate your paper and we will give you comments on your paper, and we will always communicate with you. Okay, and the rankers, I have already told you that what are the bases and the prices you are getting. So all these things you will get only in ₹10. So make sure you link the link given in the description box, you click into it and get into the contact, and if you have any further query you can always ask me. Okay, I hope your all the queries are solved. If you like this initiative, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you have any query related to it, और you can link के अंदर जो description box के अंदर link provide करा गया है उसको आप click करके मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं, and अगर आपको और कोई query है तो उसे भी पूछ सकते हैं, प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हैं. रजिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट जो है वो है only ₹10, and this paper is of CA, CS and CMA people and of law and tax, and the syllabus I have already discussed in the video. Okay, so I hope आपकी all queries जो हैं वो इससे related solve हो गई हों. If not, I have told you the resolution of it. Okay, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन. अगर आप इस तरीके के इनिशिएटिव से और जुड़ना चाहते हैं, एंड मैं भी चाहती हूँ कि देखिए आपका भी फ़ायदा हो, किसी भी तरीके से आपका फ़ायदा होना चाहिए. ओके, इसीलिए मैंने ये यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया है. तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करिएगा, इस चैनल को शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, एंड मुझे बताते रहिएगा कि आपको ये इनिशिएटिव्स किस तरीके के लग रहे हैं. मैं जल्द ही इस चैनल के ऊपर रेगुलर वीडियोस डालने वाली हूँ ऑफ रिवीजन, स्ट्रेटजी एंड लॉट मोर, एंड ऑल्सो टेस्ट. यस, जो टेस्ट यहाँ पे कंडक्ट होगा उसका डिटेल्ड जो एनालिसिस है, एंड जो चीज़ें हैं जो मैं जैसे कि टॉपर की मार्कशीट या फिर जो आपकी गलतियाँ होती हैं, जो कि कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हम देखते हैं, उस सब के ऊपर भी इस चैनल के ऊपर अच्छे से डिस्कशन होने वाला है. सो आप इस चैनल को 100% सब्सक्राइब करके चलिएगा. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए. ओके, इससे मुझे पता चलता है कि हर एक वीडियो मीन्स वो आपको बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करा रही है या नहीं करा रही है, तो इसी से पता चलता है कि हाँ भाई इस चीज़ से लोगों को बेनिफिट हो रहा है. ओके, एंड the registration fees, why it is not 0, because I want actual people who actually get benefit. Okay, and it is negligible cost, बिल्कुल नील है. ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड दिस ओनली ताकि आप लोगों की प्रैक्टिस हो, प्लस आप लोगों के अंदर एक कॉम्पिटिशन की भावना हो, एंड आपको पता चले कि एक्चुअली आपको किस लेवल के ऊपर पढ़ाई करनी है. आपका लेवल आपको पता चल जाएगा आपकी रैंक से. सो आई होप कि इस तरीके से आपको फ़ायदा हो किसी भी तरीके से. ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबडी. आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ. This is me, Khyati Maheshwari, signing off. From my website is www.googletest.com. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.